Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a magnetic metallic 2015 Ford F-150 4x4 SuperCrew Platinum, stock number A7459. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights, chrome heavy-duty tow hooks. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings. There is an alloy rim. And a close-up on the tread of the tires here. You do have Hankook Dynapro tires. And inside there is a power sunroof. You have a black leather upholstery with a platinum badging here. That is in fantastic condition. There's seating for 2 in the front row. You've got seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger F-150. On the back of the center console, may be a little hard to see here, but you do have buttons for heated second row seating. You've got this great 4x4 bedside decal here. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are backup sensors on the bumper. You have a trailer hitch and a backup camera. And you've also got a hard tonneau cover up top. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door, you have your usual power amenities. There are buttons here for memory seating. You have power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. Underneath of the steering wheel here, you have a button for a power adjustable pedal. And as we take a step inside, to the left of the steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons. And then to the right-hand side, you've got audio controls. Coming over a little further, there is a 4x4 turn dial control. And underneath of that, you have an integrated trailer brake control. Go ahead and push the push button start here so we can get that touch screen loaded up. Up above the steering wheel on the driver's side visor, you have HomeLink garage door opener buttons. And then coming back to the center here, you do have your button for your traction control. You've got this great touch screen display, which is where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Going to the entertainment section here, you do have capabilities for Sirius satellite radio. You can control your climate from here. And then you do also have a navigation system. Underneath of that, you can see your audio controls. There are dual climate controls and buttons for heated and cold front row seating. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 23 miles per gallon. You do have lane keep assist here. And then as we take a step inside, or I'm sorry, a step outside, you do have power retractable running boards. If you'd like to get more information on this F-150 or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided to you by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.